morning, everybody. Just set up the cow shed here, and Dad's already hung up all the jitters and that. So it's going well. Feeding on what's not. We're feeding now today at the moment. We're feeding 4 bales of silage a day, along with 3 kgs of meal through the meal feeder per cow. The lights. Got the neighbour over the back. That's his house. That's Dad getting the cows in. Then there's over the top of the irrigator, over the top of the pump there. That's the farmer with I think he's about 400 cows. That fella there, he's about 1,000 cows. That's our local township behind us there. There's our neighbour. He's sitting at about 260 cows again this year. He's working his way back up. Our fella over here, he's 700 cows. Some good farms around us. We're about the same size as the neighbour here. He's about 110 hectares and we're 108 here, so effectively the same area. But yeah, he's more usable. Our swamp is about 20. The swamp is about 26 hectares of usable land certain times of year. Right, let's get this cow shed up and running. Cows I honestly thought yesterday that the cows would have reacted a bit differently with the mat, but they were pretty happy. They didn't really react much because they were too busy trying to get in and get that meal. Morning. How are you, mate? Right, now, what's our guesses for this morning? 37. Dad? 36. 32. My one is 3580. 3580. I got 3580. Been wet weather yesterday. Yep, got 3 colostrum cows on, and I think we've only got 1 on the side. Look at all the cups you go. Mum's washing up here. We got a cow just finishing off the meal. Clean up crew, good girl. Oh, she alright. Only if she poops. She leaves when she poops because then she's making it dirty. You can see 2, 4, 6 buckets here of colostrum. The best milk is in that white bucket at the end. And that's from the 3 of the new girls from yesterday. Alright, carry on, wash up, just a standard acid wash today. Let's go feed some calves. Let's see how many have got through today. Coming. All good? Feed the calves. Alright. Yeah, alright? Yep. Everybody has a teat and everyone's happy. Give them a quick count up, see how many we've got. Perfect, 34 total. With that, I'll grab myself a nice orange. And, let these cows finish their milk. No one got through, no red bums. Everyone's in their pen still happy as. Made it. One pretty quick at the chase. And they've nearly finished their whole half a bag of meal. So they'll be getting more tonight. 3/4 of a bag for them. And 1/4 of a bag for yous. Only 1 here. Most of them are already over by the carpet. Dad's coming now with the cafeteria. Last mob. Good. These calves are growing quite nicely. They're eating their meal and their silage that we give them. Thank you, Dad, for driving the motorbike in and getting through the little calves. Helped me sort them out. He's off to go and wash up the cafeterias and that. We'll just wait till these fellas are finished. Once they're all done, take them for a drive round to the meal feeder there, go around that and come back this way and out the gate. Yeah, so we're going to have quite a few little calves today. Looks like Dad said it was 6 last night, or looked like 6 last night anyway. It's all washed up. Dad's finished washing the cafeterias and the buckets and everything. Dad's finished washing the yard. And look who's come back. Some of the colostrum girls come back. Makes all the other girls come back. Of course, it's probably not as nice grass in the swamp area. So, we are going to go and feed out 2 nice bales of silage for them. Back you go, back you go. Yeah, I'll take them back. We'll load up with some silage. Honey cows. Cows.
Yep, they come back again today, but I give you the tip, they going back.
Go pick up baby. Alright, well. We're straight now to the back out in the swamp here. That's what they had yesterday on the right. This is what they got today. Big paddock. So there's enough grass in there for them. It's just the grass out here isn't as nice as the stuff on the home farm. Still the fert levels are all good, it's just not as nice grass, that's all. Colour the building a little bit down, too sure why. That's right, we're going to go and feed out. Can't see there. I should mention when these paddocks were last grazed. Shows you how much grass we've got. These paddocks were last grazed back at the mid to end June. So it shows you they haven't come back very well at all. It's just been too wet, and when it's been not wet, it's been nice and sunny, but it's been too cold. The ground temperature of the peat is still 12 degrees. Hello, 210. Good girl. So it's still nice and cold, but it's not good. We need some nice warm weather, even some warm rain would be nice. Because warm rain would bring up that ground temperature. 80, move! 80! Ah, hoosh! Hoosh! Last bale. Let's go see the calving girls and count up how many new calves we've got. Hopefully some nice keepers, otherwise some nice bobby calves. Nice black white face Herefords there. There's another little Hereford there. Oh no, sorry, that's the heifer's calf. It looks like we've got one in the process of calving. We'll follow these girls to their paddock, give them their bale of silage and lock them away. We've still got a few calves to get out. A few cows, sorry. Maybe even a calf down here somewhere.
Yeah, that's quite a deep drain. One lucky little calf. Picks a very dangerous place to sleep.
At the moment. And we still got one more to pick up in this paddock, one more to pick up in the other paddock, and we're gonna two more to pick up in this paddock, and one more to pick up in the other paddock. Should be 7, and there's a girl calving that's in this paddock we're gonna take up and have a look at. Makes it 8. 8 today, not too bad numbers. Brings us up to 203 cows in, so we'll be in there 50 to go in that lot. 50 to 60. There. Feed her little calvie, and we'll come back and pick him up shortly. That little fella with his mum there outrun me. Can't quite see him, but he's just between those 2 cows.
It was funny.
He outran me too fast.
It was funny.
All the cows, one to check, and still one more to pick up here. She's having a ning. No, there's probably another 4 that could go any day now. Really close, from what I can see. Yeah, little calvies had a good feed. We'll go pick them up now. Dad, Mum grabbed them. Yeah, very lucky we didn't lose one on the drain. Good crop paddock. Yep. Take these 8 girls up and check to make sure that that girl there is going to calve. I understand. Said he's giving them all the meal. Get a bit of meal, keep them happy. The only one he's not eating is a little heifer. Heads up the wrong side. Get on to calving this girl here. Stan said she looks like she's been trying for a while. That's my little calving. She's standing in the gateway here so she can't go. Oh, beautiful. Black Hereford. Good girl. As Dad said, you can tell she's been having a bit of issues. Calf come out covered in his own poop, so he's been trying to calve for a little bit. Good girl. Yep. There's your little one, yep. The result there?
35.02.
Oh, so, so I won today. Yeah, very rare occasion. That's right, 35 flat, so just showed you how much the weather hit them yesterday, how hard it did. It's got a new little calvie out there, probably a nice beautiful keeper. And Dad's going to try and stand her up. And I'm going to go and take some little calvies out of the calf trailer. And I'm shooting off for some more ammo 31. Disconnected. And also those little calvies have been put away. All happily in their pen. Let's hook on this spreader. Dad, he's adjusted the spreader as well, so he should be putting it on at about 100 kgs to the safety chain. And pipes and we're out of here. Loading up. Gonna get 2 tonne of ammo 31. That should get the grass going. Little hopper there. Yeah, back at the farm. Get there and tried to stand her up. Gave her a bucket of water. She's probably getting better. Dad left the tractor in the paddock, which is a good sign, which means she's getting better. Picking it up a bit. It's been 6 days since it's been on there, so they're actually starting growing a bit now. It's growing quite a bit. And let's go, 2 tonne. So Dad's going to go first. He's going to go and open all the gates for me, so he's been hopping out. Yeah, it's still wet in these paddocks, look at that. Mark's some spreading. Done the runs in this paddock. We're going to go back this way and get out of here. It's really one of the only ways to get out of this paddock from this side. Whoa, whoa. It's a wet paddock, alright. Soft. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Wow. Alright. See you to the next paddock. That's 3 paddocks down. Keep working our way down the back here. Still a bit to go. This is one of them. Just grazing off the back that we couldn't reseed. Not sure how many hectares I've done so far, but we're definitely getting down now. There's about 500 kgs max, so 5-6 hectares. Just run out. Yodi, let's head up and give her a good wash and then park her up. Here's little Carvey with Mum. Okay, let's give this girl a wash up. Hey Dad, you alright? Done. All washed up, all cleaned up. Dad's headed off and we're going to go home and have some brekkie. Bye Dad! Alright, see you all at milking tonight. Dad's just shot off, he's getting the herd. We're just walking these girls out and we'll go set up the cow shed. Grab the little calvey. There's one big little calvey, very staunch. So come on, up, come on, up, go on girls, up, up, come on.
Yeah, our little bird has protected his eggs all day. And they made it.
There's the calvey there that we just got in. Good size. Very full, happy. We are all set up, ready to go. Dad grabbed another new drum down here because it's actually got a handle at the bottom there on the this side here. See the little handle down there? Makes it easier to pick up to empty her out compared with this one, no handle. And this one, it's got handle at the bottom. So, I'm going to put this one up. Dad gave this drum a good wash. So, put it back up here. We're ready to start milking. Let's get to it. We get to it, Mum? Girls are coming. Let's get to milking. Dad said she's responded well, actually. She tried to stand up today, so she may have changed. Those cows have definitely got enough meal. Five. I don't like that end meal for that one. Always gets to me. Always keeps going. Doesn't turn off the bloody thing. Got it this time. Thank you. Oh well, everything's happening tonight. All done. Yep. Packing them well. Yep, and they got lots of washing up for their feet. Very dirty. And their teeth. Yep, very dirty.
No colosseums in the front.
No colosseums. Right, probably enough in here. Time to go, ladies. They're off down the farm. Stand out of the way. What do you run over? Good girls. They're out of here. Oh. Good girls. Held them up so that when the rest of the herd gets down there, they'll all get a good feed. should be in there helping Mum, but couldn't get across when they're at that stage running through like that. Hey, ladies. Hey, Tisha. Tractor, go feed out. Dallas looks like he's going with either Mum or Grandad. Yeah. There's our new mat, Mackenzie, to help the cows' feet.
Feels funny.
Stand her up. She wanted to stand today. So. Right, you ready to go feed out 2 bales, Mackenzie? Yeah. Off to go down and feed out. Should be good. Hey, Munchkin. We're all finished feeding out. And Dallas and Tessa and Grandad.
We're gonna flip
They
it
don't
on
have motorbikes yet. No, we better not. With that, I think we'll call it a day there, Mackenzie. What do we say? Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the morning. Thank you. Good. Hey, up and down hills over there. Alright, let's head on up and call it a day there. I got to show you, when I was leaving the paddock, someone had bent the gate. Yeah, I bent the gate. Nailed it. Caught the side of the tyre and... Whew, that's a good little gate bend. Tessa's dancing. We'll straighten that back up in the morning. Yes, I got it with the tractor. You see the tractor tyre there? That's a job for tomorrow. Fit for purpose, you see.